Casino Royale. Long dog, corn dogs, Pizza Hut, James Bond, Pierce Morgan. So the security guard just escorted a couple showgirls out of here. Baby angels they had on their wings. They don't let them come in the casinos. When they do, they get escorted out pretty quick. They can go in the Miracle Mile shops. They can go in Fashion Show Mall. But they don't let them go in the casinos. Sunday night Casino Royale. This is just a great little casino. Game of Thrones. Why couldn't they make Game of Thrones go for 10 more years? More importantly, why isn't Breaking Bad still going? That's the best of all time. White Castle. No line at all. What's their prices? $9.99 for the combo. Original slider, 4 sliders, French fries, and a drink. Slider is $1.39. Not really bad at all. I mean, considering
this is where we played earlier.
Is that Fat Albert in that boat? Pretty sure that's Fat Albert. And this is the dollar machine, I'm pretty sure. Dollar, yeah. It's a great place to learn craps right here. And then this is $2. She wants 10. Oh boy, that's twice tonight that I jinxed somebody. I 7'd out a craps table in Harrah's about 10 minutes ago. There's a little front desk. And then this, you go up to out back on that staircase, or you can go over here. You can also put your name on the waiting list in Outback and come down here and play slots. And they'll call your name over the loudspeaker. There's the Outback stairs right there. Yeah, you can sit right here, or you can sit a little further away. It's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. And then here's the guest rooms right here. Just put your key in right there, and you're in your room. Steps away from the strip. absolute closest rooms to the Strip. I don't think there's anyone close.